Tired of losing courses you wanted to take on Coursera because there's no save button? I feel ya. You're browsing, you find something interesting, you think you'll come back to it later, and poof, it's gone. Here's a simple workaround that actually works. We'll cover manual bookmarking and a few alternative methods to keep your course list organized. No fancy tricks, just real solutions that people actually use. So let's start by navigating to Coursera. Head over to Coursera.org in your browser. You don't even need to log in for this, but it helps if you want to come back later. Now search or browse for a course you like, maybe something in data science or creative writing or whatever catches your eye. Find one that makes you think, yeah, I'd like to take that someday. Click on the course title to open its page. This gives you all the details, what you'll learn, how long it takes, who teaches it, all the good stuff. Now highlight and copy the link in your browser's address bar. That URL is your golden ticket. It takes you right back to this exact page. Now open where you want to store the link. This could be a bookmark folder, a notes app, or even a simple text file. The best system is the one you'll actually use. Paste the link and give it a name. Something simple like Python for Everybody or Machine Learning Specialization. Just make sure you can recognize it later. To keep things tidy, consider grouping courses by category. Maybe a folder for data science, one for business, one for personal development. It takes 2 seconds now and saves you tons of scrolling later. Alternatively, use your browser's built-in bookmarks. Right-click the bookmarks bar and create a new folder. Call it Coursera or Courses to Take or whatever makes sense to you. Then drag the URL into that folder. Click, drag, drop. Done. Now it's there whenever you want it. For more detail, try a spreadsheet. Create columns for course name, link, and any notes you want to add. Maybe why you wanted to take it or what prerequisites it needs. This is great if you're the list-making type. Store it in Google Drive or OneDrive for access anywhere. That way, your list follows you from your laptop to your phone to your tablet. Another option is a dedicated note app like Notion. Set up a table with course details. Paste links and add tags for easy filtering. You can tag courses by difficulty, by interest level, by anything really. Periodically check your list and remove completed courses. It keeps things fresh and helps you see what you've actually accomplished. And here's the really important part. I spent some time digging through Coursera's support forums and community discussions to find these methods. Multiple sources confirm the same thing. There's no official save button, but these workarounds are what people actually use. So whether you're a bookmark person, a spreadsheet nerd, or a Notion fanatic, you've now got a reliable system to save and revisit courses anytime. Go find something interesting and save it for later. You'll thank yourself tomorrow.